Hi, welcome to Happy New Kids Learning. Today I am going to talk about World Soil Day. One of the most essential things to produce food is soil fertility. If there is no soil, then there is nothing in this world. Soil is the backbone of everything. Without healthy soil fertility, farmers will not be able to cultivate anything like fiber and food. Soils store water for the growth of plants. It also stores essential minerals and nutrients of the plant's growth. Soil is the foundation of all construction works, such as buildings, houses, roads, and schools. Soil provides adequate and necessary aeration for plants. It also provides oxygen to insects, microorganisms, and roots of the plant. Soils are the shelter for many creatures such as insects that lay eggs in the soil, and also for birds and animals. Soil is made up of organic materials as 5%, air as 25%, water as 25% and minerals as 45%. Soil strains surface water of dust particles, contaminants, and other chemicals. This is the reason why groundwater is clean. World Soil Day is celebrated on 5th December every year, which was established by the Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) in 2012.